Hello guys, this is the reviews of Samsung Galaxy Note 8. It was in 2017 and I'm going to unboxing this phone. So what you're gonna see inside that box, okay? So in here when I bought it, and from the company they said it warranty for 1 year, but I don't know inside yet, so we just go and see together. When you take the plastic bag out of the box, you will see the box like that. We have the pens in here, you see, and in there, okay, Note 8. I put it the wrong way. So you can see there, they put Samsung Galaxy Note 8. And inside there, you will see a pens, because it pen on that side. And in the back there, you will see like, they put like the space, the camera capacity or something like that. So when you want to open it, you just pull it up, or you will see the phone inside. And there you will see the code, and then you can take the picture with that. When you take that cover box out, it just see like this, and here just inside, and you just pull that plastic out there, okay. When you open the box, you will see the phone right there. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it out with that phone, and here we go. That's the phone. It's the midnight blacks and look very nice. Just in here, everything is just new, and you see the camera, the scanner, and the true camera in the backs. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on, and you're gonna see what is in. And when it comes out, it just says Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Here we go. You see Samsung logo come out. Because it from the company, and the company just associate with Khmer language. And then so it come out with the command letter. I will show you what inside the box is. So the phone just here, and just turn it on. I'm not connected to the internet yet. I'm not set up it yet, so I will show you later. So I will show you inside the box, what inside the box is it. In the box you will see that is the manual inside, and SIM card checks, okay, and then pin, and then you can use for it, reject the SIM card. And here you just see the battery, the charger in here, and fast charge battery. And inside the box here you just see the headphone jack, and you will see the extra here. So it is what inside the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I will do another review about the software and about the camera later, okay?